Okay, this video looks at using the continue keyword in Java. And to put simply, the keyword continue allows us to move to the next iteration of the loop without executing any of the code that falls between the continue keyword and the end of that particular loop. So how's that useful? Well, we're going to look at the concept of determining whether a year is a leap year. As you might already know, a year is a leap year if it can be divided by 4, with the exception that if it's can be divided wholly by 100, then it's not a leap year unless it can also be divided by 400. So at the minute, we've got this code here that prints out leap year, starts at 2024, which we know is a leap year, and we go up by 4. So we don't have to do the check for being divisible by 4. And as we can see, 2400 is a leap year it's printing out, but 2200 shouldn't be a leap year, but is currently being printed out. So what we need to do is some kind of check that says, is it divisible by 100 and 400? Okay, so we can check, or well, actually no, we want to skip it when it's divisible by 100, not 400. So we can do that by saying if the year, if we divide it by 100 and the result is 0, okay, that's checking it's fully divisible by 100. And we also want to check if it's not divisible by 400. So we're going to say if not year divided by 400 is equal to 0. So that check says, okay, if it's divisible by 100 and it's not divisible by 400, then it's not going to be a leap year. So what we want to do is we want to go to the next iteration of the loop here instead of printing this statement. So the way we can do that is to add the continue keyword in there. So if we run our code now, we can scroll to where 2200 would appear, and we can see that we jump straight from 2196 to the year 2204. So just to recap, what continue does is it allows us to skip the rest of the loop, which in this instance is just the statement that prints the year, and move on to the next iteration of the loop.